Welcome back, YouTube fam. It's your boy Y, and in this video I'm going to be going over something that will help all those rocking the new Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now for me, I have the OnePlus Open as well, and I'll be releasing a video about the OnePlus Open along with the Galaxy Watch Ultra for those who didn't want to go to the Fold or the Flip or any Galaxy phone just to get this watch. You can still use this watch separately with a non-Galaxy phone. You'll be missing some features that you probably don't even care about, but I'll release that soon. In this video, I want to go over really quickly a problem that I noticed that other users have had, which is notifications. So with this watch, when you're wearing it, you would not be getting the notifications just starting off unless you set your settings right. And of course, for some that doesn't even sound right, but believe me, I went through it and I found the key to fix it. So I would rather share that information with you so you don't get as confused and be ready to send that watch back for something that you can fix. All right, so the first thing you want to do on your phone, if you have a non-Galaxy device, you want to find the Galaxy Wearable app that's downloaded. If you do have a Galaxy device, you can either go down and hit the settings and go to connected device, and then it'll be right here on the right side, or if you have it unfolded, then it'll be on the main screen, but it'll be right here. So either way it goes, you'll be able to get to the same settings based off of what phone you have. So you just click on the Galaxy Wearable, then you're here. Go backwards here. You're here in the watch settings. So now you guys have it open. You can see your watch Ultra's name. And again, this is going to be the same for whether you have a Galaxy device or a non-Galaxy device. So it doesn't matter. It's going to look the exact same. So what you want to do is scroll down and go to the watch settings here. When you get to the watch settings, go to notifications, which is the second one. Now here, when I set up any watch, I always go straight to notifications so that way I could engineer it the way I want it to be, get the notifications I want. For this one, it is important, if you want all your notifications to show even while you're using your phone, change that setting here and change it to show alerts when phone, even when phone in use. Now, if you just want to see the alerts when your phone is off, then you can leave the setting how it is because it's automatically on the first one, but I want to see them regardless because I paid a lot for this phone. I want to make sure it's working. Down here, there's the mute notifications on phones. That's totally up to you. The sync do not disturb. All that is with you. Of course, they have the advanced notification settings. One thing we don't notice though is help with notifications. So this actually gave a tip that would help you get notifications because they know users will have a problem. So let me just click on that for you. So one of those problems is you see notifications while not getting notifications watch. Not the first one, but the second one. So you just click on that one and it tells you, make sure you're wearing your watch. You won't get notifications when you're not wearing it. You can also check the settings below. Okay, simple. Then let's click the other tip because it's under one of these. Notification tip. It's weird because they had a specific tip that said why you have tattoos, but it's weird. It's not showing on here. And oh, here we go, right here on this one. Under notifications while watch not worn. So right here in the small paragraph, it says if you have a tattoo where your watch rests on your wrist, it will prevent you from detecting that you're wearing it. Turn off the wrist detection in your watch. That is a big one. And I'm not just gonna say if you have only even if it's a small tattoo on your wrist, if your watch is going over that wrist, you have to change that setting as well. But I would say, let's say you have scars on your wrist and your watch is going over it. If you're not getting notifications, do the same thing because it may help. I believe it's like the grooves in the tattoo that may, you know, throw off the sensor, realizing that you have it on your wrist. I don't know. Maybe they put like some super sensitive sensors in here. But they did notice that people would be having problems with this. So it says, turn off the wrist detection and settings on your watch. And that's in the security watch to get notifications, right? Okay, so let me show you how to do that. So let's say you already set up all your notifications here. You went to app notifications and you set all the ones you want to do, right? And you're still not getting them. So put that to the side. Let me show you how to do it here. So what you'll do is you scroll down, hit that settings button, go, scroll, not notifications, but you want to keep scrolling all the way you hit security and privacy. You get the lock type, don't want that. Wrist detection, that's the one you want. Turn it off. So automatically it's going to be on. Turn that setting off, because what it does is, as long as it doesn't notice that you have the watch on, it's not going to send notifications. Even if you change the settings, put while you have notifications, while you have your phone in use, it still won't send it for some reason. So you want to turn the wrist detection off so it doesn't sense. You won't have to worry about the watch sensing whether or not you have the watch on. And this is just for notifications. So it says allow notification and other features to know when you're wearing the watch. So I've had this watch for a couple of days now, and I hadn't had any problems since I turned this wrist detection off. Everything works fine. I get all my notifications now. The things that I want to notice, like when it's running the heart rate, it does it fine. Everything goes fine. It doesn't affect anything other than the fact that it blocked me from getting notifications, because as you can see, I have a tattoo on my wrist. So hopefully this helps for you as well. If you're wearing this watch and you're loving this watch, don't send it back because you're not getting notifications. Let's try some troubleshooting, because I almost was ready to send mine back. I had restarted and factory reset my phone and the watch. And then I went through the settings and I noticed the help with notifications, which is something I didn't click on before. And I went through it and I was like, oh, dang. Let me try this one. Let me turn off the wrist detection. So once I turned off the wrist detection, all my notifications came flooding in, and I haven't had a problem since. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. Hopefully this has helped you. If it hasn't helped you, I apologize. Just let me know if it's not working. Maybe I could try to see if there's any more troubleshooting that we could do. But if it has helped you, please drop a comment in there. Let me know that it helped you. Please subscribe, join the family. I'm hoping to continue growing in the YouTube family. This channel, definitely not for me. This is making it for all of you to see if these are things that you would like. Of course, when it comes to the Galaxy Watch Ultra, yeah, I bought the Galaxy Watch Ultra. As you know, on my channel, I said I will never tell you to buy something super expensive. And if I do, payment plan. So I use payment plans. Don't be ashamed of that. If you want to get this watch, use those payment plans. Do the paying for, or do a firm. Doesn't mean you're broke. It just means you want to be smart while enjoying what you bought for yourself. As you know, Flossie Carter would say, treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. I would say yes, but also don't make yourself go broke either. Play it smart, especially for those who have families. All right. Thank you so much, YouTube family. I appreciate all of you. Take care.